Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a bit of alternative. As you know, I'm still in the process of getting my home together. So I made a decision for myself that I'm going to enjoy some aspect of this house come heck or high water. So I decided what I'm going to focus on is trying to decorate my backyard more like a patio area. So that way at least I could be there this summer and enjoying some of my house while the rest of it is still being remodeled. So as you can maybe see here, that the shape of the backyard is like an L shape, and it is cemented, which I'm grateful for because I'm not really a maintenance person. And as you can see here, these fences are horrendous. So the background story is the man I bought the house for, as you can see, him and the neighbor behind me, they agreed to go in and install a new fence. That's why there are two different styles of fences here. And the neighbor that's right next to me, or the so-called neighbor right next to me, did not want to pay or go in for a new fence. And that's why this particular fence looks this way. And so I've been trying to think about what I'm going to do to deal with this fence. And as you probably see later on this video, they got some kind of shanty town they're building behind the fence that I just don't want to look at from my backyard. So I talked to my aunt. She was in favor of painting the fence and using some type of art to decorate it. I thought about getting some, like a trellis to kind of cover the fence. I thought also thinking about using some faux boxwood, but fake plants kind of give me the creeps. And I also like the idea of a moss panel wall. But I am open to suggestions for people who are really into plants. If you can suggest something that is low or no maintenance, because I am not about to care for plants. So these are some of the things that I am considering when having to deal with this fence. But I decided to soldier on and try to decorate this back cubby area of the backyard and putting up my swinging papasan chair that's been sitting in my garage for years, that I eventually got from Pier 1. And so this is going to be my focus for the summer of decorating my area. So the black floor tiles that you see here, I got from IKEA, and they're really easy to put together. That you just pop them together, and they come in a set of 8. And so I got total 3 boxes. I didn't use all 3, but I wanted to put my swinging papasan chair on something and kind of cover up the back area where I saw there was kind of like a gap between the cement and the fence. So I thought this was a great affordable way. And I apologize about the angle of this video right here of me putting together this area. I didn't realize the camera was off center, but yeah, I got the swinging papasan chair years ago. It's been living in my garage from Pier 1, and I got the papasan stand from Cost Plus World Market.